Alright, what's up guys? We're gonna go ahead and get right into this mid/high bald fade. We're gonna start by saturating the hair and then combing it in the way that it lays, following the growth pattern in the crown. Then we're gonna put our comb in the middle of the crown and go to the corner of the recession. And then from there, we're gonna find the occipital bone here, and then we're gonna cut our guideline into that with our fingers on the scalp. I like to start in the back and then come to the right side or the left side, I guess. I always start with the right side. And then put your fingers on the parietal ridge on the head and then connect that to the back. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Fingers on the head on the parietal ridge all the way until the back guideline that we made. After that, we're gonna comb the hair on the top forward and then comb it down, see where it splits, split it, and then take each side to the guideline that you made. And you wanna be sure that you're pulling the hair straight out to you. He likes his longer in the front, so once we get past the ear, we're gonna start pivot out. We're still following that same line though. Back to where we just cut, just to check ourselves. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. After that, we'll comb through the hair to make sure it's all blended well. After that, comb it all forward. You'll pull it up in the middle and you'll have a peak to where you took it to each side. And you want to be sure that your fingers are parallel with the ground, so that way you're not making anything round. You'll see here where the short parts fall out, and I'm just cutting a little peak off. That I will just blow dry the hair. I'm not really styling it here, I'm just blow drying it to get it dry. After that, I'll take my 3-guard and blend right into the guideline that we made in the beginning. That we'll take a 2-guard and we'll go right under where we left off with the 3. Then once everything is consistent too, we're going to take our Rebel trimmers and we're going to punch in the ball line. And the reason I use this trimmer to punch the ball line in is because this is my trimmer that I use to like line kids up, so they're not set super close, so it's easy to get out with the clipper. That we'll come in with our saber, which is set way closer than the Rebel trimmer is to get it closer to the skin. After that, we'll take our FX1 clipper, open it all the way, and then make about a 1/2 inch guideline. And then you'll close it all the way, and you'll just start at the bottom and you'll just bump it up just a little bit. You open it another click, do the same thing. So you start with it closed, bump it up, and then just a click up after that, and just bump it all the way up until you're back to open. And here you have your 1 all the way open, go out up about another 1/2 inch. Then here you put your 1/2 guard on, open it all the way, and then work that line out. I start with it open and then just close it click by click until it's gone. And then here you have the 1 1/2, halfway open. Then right here, I just realized that I didn't take enough weight out with the 3-guard, so I just clipper overcombed it. And when you're using clipper overcomb, you want to be sure you're just going little by little, because you can really mess up a haircut with one swipe. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. It's the same steps. So start with our 3-guard and go into that the weight line that we created with the block graduation in the beginning. And then we'll go to a 2. After that, we'll go to a bald line and fade it up from there. So here's a little transparency with you guys, I guess. So I'm still new to the recording haircuts and stuff, and I'm realizing how much of a not really a hassle, but you got to be looking at it all the time, moving it all the time. Sometimes it's blurry, sometimes it's out of focus. Like a lot of these is out of focus, so that is why. So I'm working on it. Eventually my videos will be better, obviously, but hopefully I'm bringing some sort of value to someone. If I help at least one person, then that means I'm doing what I want to do. At the end of this video, I realized my camera only records for 30 minutes, and I've reached past my 30-minute mark, so I don't have an end result. But if you want to see any of my haircuts that I do have an Instagram that I will leave in the description, and I'll also place it on this video so you can see any of my finished haircuts. I appreciate you guys. If you've made it this far in the video, that's really cool. But keep pushing these out. I got a bunch. I'm not missing a week from this point on. We're going to hit this thing pretty hard in 2024. I appreciate y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Enjoy.